Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the relationship between zeros or say roots and coefficients of a polynomial. So first we discuss in case of quadratic polynomial and then we will go to the cubic polynomial. So let's start the case quadratic polynomial. So suppose alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic polynomial. So suppose alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where the leading coefficient a is not equal to 0. Okay. Now recall that if alpha is a root of the polynomial, then x minus alpha is a factor of that polynomial. Similarly, beta is also root, so beta is also factor of that quadratic polynomial. Therefore, this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, now it is x minus alpha into x minus beta. But observe that on right hand side, if you multiply these two factors, then coefficient of x square will be 1. But on the left hand side, coefficient of x square is a. So to balance this, we multiply these two factors by constant k. And later on, we observe that this k is actually equal to a. So simplify right hand side. So is equal to k in bracket, now x minus alpha into x minus beta. So this is x into x, it is x square, then x into minus beta, so it is minus beta x. Now minus alpha into x, minus alpha x. Now minus alpha into minus beta, it is plus alpha into beta is equal to, now k in bracket, now this is x square. Now collect the coefficient of x, minus beta minus alpha, take minus sign common, so it is alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now multiply by k, so it is k x square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k into alpha beta. Therefore, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to kx square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k into alpha into beta. Now compare coefficient of like power. So coefficient of x square on right hand side it is k and on left side it is a. Therefore, what we get, k is equal to a. Then this minus k into alpha plus beta is equal to b, and one more equation, k into alpha into beta is equal to c. So suppose this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. Now from 1 we have observed that value of k is a. So use this value of k into what we get. Now put k is equal to a into, so this implies minus a into alpha plus beta is equal to b. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to actually b upon minus a, but this is same as minus b upon a. So is equal to, so sum of the root is equal to minus b divided by a. But what is b? Actually b is a coefficient of x. Okay, so this is same as minus in bracket coefficient of x divided by a. But what is a? A is nothing but coefficient of x square. So sum of the root is equal to minus times coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Now put k is equal to a in which equation? In number 3. This implies k equal to a, so it is a into alpha into beta is equal to c. So this implies it's alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a. Now what is c? C is nothing but constant term of this quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. So product of the root alpha into beta is equal to c upon a and is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So case of quadratic equation is done. Sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and product of the root alpha into beta is equal to c by a and is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Now discuss the case of cubic polynomial. So suppose alpha, beta and gamma are roots of the cubic polynomial ax square plus it is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Therefore x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma are factor of this polynomial. Therefore x minus alpha, x minus beta and x minus gamma are factors of this cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And therefore ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to now k into x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. Okay, now we simplify right hand side. So is equal to this k as it is x minus alpha into x minus beta, but we already calculated this product x minus alpha into x minus beta. What is that? Yeah, it's here. See, x minus alpha into x minus beta, if you simplify this, it is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So it's x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So this is product of x minus alpha into x minus beta, and one more factor x minus gamma is equal to now k in bracket. Simplify this. First we multiply by x, so it is x cube minus alpha plus beta into x square plus alpha beta x. Now multiply by minus gamma, so it is minus gamma into x square. Now minus it is plus gamma into alpha plus beta into x, and then minus alpha into beta into minus gamma, so it is minus alpha into beta into gamma. Okay, simplify, so it is k x cube as it is. Now we collect the coefficient of x square. Okay, here minus alpha plus beta, and here is minus gamma, so it is minus alpha plus beta, and we take this minus sign common here, so it is plus gamma into x square. Now coefficient of x plus, this is alpha into beta, one coefficient, and here coefficient of x alpha into gamma plus beta into gamma, so plus here alpha into gamma plus beta into gamma into x, and constant term minus alpha beta gamma. So simplify this, is k x cube multiply throughout by k minus k into alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus k into alpha beta alpha gamma plus beta gamma into x, and minus k into alpha into beta into gamma. Now observe left hand side, it is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and right hand side this cubic polynomial. Now compare coefficient. So coefficient of x cube on RHS right hand side it is k, and on left hand side it is a. Therefore k is equal to a. Then coefficient of x square on right hand side it is minus k into alpha plus beta plus gamma, and is equal to b. Then coefficient of x, it is k into alpha beta alpha gamma beta gamma is equal to c, and third equation minus k into alpha beta gamma is equal to d. Sorry, it's fourth equation. Now number this equation, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Now put k is equal to a in 5. Put k equal to a in 5. This implies minus a into alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to b. Therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, now b upon minus a, but it is same as minus b upon a. So this is sum of the roots of the cubic polynomial, and is equal to minus b upon a, and it is minus of coefficient of x square now divided by coefficient of x cube. Now next put k equal to a in 6. So it is a into alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma is equal to c. So alpha into beta plus alpha into gamma plus beta into gamma is equal to c upon a. And what is c? C is nothing but coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Last, now put k is equal to a in number 7. So where is 7? Here it is minus k into alpha beta gamma is equal to d. So put k equal to a in 7. So it gives minus a into alpha into beta into gamma is equal to d, is equal to d. And therefore alpha into beta into gamma product of the root is equal to d by minus a, which is same as minus d divided by a, but is equal to minus of constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. So product of the root is equal to minus d divided by a. Sum of product of two roots at a time, alpha into beta plus alpha into gamma plus beta into gamma is equal to c by a, and sum of the root is equal to minus b divided by a. So case of cubic polynomial also done. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Okay, thank you.